In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Pinterest. Adding friends on Pinterest really means following profiles you care about, so their ideas and saves start showing up in your home feed. It's quick, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. Start by opening your web browser and going to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar across the top. Click into it and type the name of the person, creator, or brand you want to add. If you know their exact username, type that. Otherwise, enter their display name or a couple of keywords that describe them, then press enter to search. You'll land on a results page. By default, Pinterest usually shows pins first, which can make it harder to find the actual person you're looking for. To narrow it down, click the filters option near the top of the page. This opens a small menu of ways to refine your results. In the filter menu, choose profiles. This tells Pinterest you're looking for people and accounts, not individual pins or boards. It's the quickest way to switch your results from ideas to users. After choosing profiles, click Apply. Your search results will refresh to show a list of matching profiles. Take a moment here to scan for the right one. Look at the profile picture, the display name, and the short bio if it appears. If you see a familiar board style or a recognizable follow account, that can also help confirm you've got the right account. When you've found the profile you want, click it to open their page. This is where you can preview their boards, recent saves, and overall style. If it's a match, click the follow button near the top. The button should change to show that you're following. From now on, you'll start seeing more of their content in your feed, and you can always come back to unfollow or adjust notifications later if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Search for the name, filter to profiles, apply the filter, select the right account, and follow. If you're having trouble locating someone, try the exact username, add a unique keyword, or ask them to share their profile link. The process on the Pinterest mobile app is very similar, with the same idea of searching and filtering to people. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.